good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 7 from verse 18 to verse 35. Jesus and John the Baptist. John followed them, tell him about all the things that Jesus did do. So he called two of them and send them to go ask Jesus, are you if you look for, or somebody else I go come? The man them go to Jesus and say, John the Baptist send we to ask if are you if you look for, or if somebody else I go come. Same time Jesus make whole heap of people when did sick in all kind of way get better. He run demon out of people and make enough blind people see again. Then Jesus tell John follower them say, go tell John when you see and hear. Blind people can see and cripple can walk. People have sickness will make their skin fussy get better, and deaf people are hear. Dead people come back alive, and the good news are preached to poor people. God bless the people them when I tap trust in me, just cause me no go on or them think the one where them a wait pan fi go on. After John messenger them gone, Jesus start talk to the crowd about John. What kind of somebody only they go out in the desert for see? Somebody we can't make up his mind like tall grass where the breeze a blow this away and that the way. If I not that, then I want to go out there for see. One man dress up in a deer clothes? No man. People will dress up in a deer clothes and live big life, live in a palace. So, I want to go out there for see. One prophet? Yes. And me I tell you no. Him a more than just one prophet. A Janet talk about when he write down say, look, me will send me messenger for go on till you come. Him a go get people ready for you. Let me tell you this. John bigger than anybody we ever born. But even the lowest somebody in a God kingdom bigger than him. Everybody we hear with Jesus say, even the tax collector them, take it say God way right, cause them did make John baptize them. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them turn them back from what God did want them to do, cause they never make John baptize them. The people we live in at them time, yeah, and where them come in like? What kind of people them be? Them come in like picnic, where I sit down in at the market and I holler to them one another. We play the flute for no, and uno no dance. We sing one funeral song, and uno no ball. Cause John the Baptist never come and yam no bread and I drink no wine, but uno say demon in him. The man where God pick come and yam and a drink, and uno say, look here, the man a craven and him a one drunkard. Fame friend them a tax collector and sinner. The people we follow the right way proves say God wise and him way right. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.